Okay. Good morning, everybody. Make sure all this is right. Yep. Okay. Let me post this on my story real quick. So morning routine. Dang, it's dropping. Hold up. What are you doing? What are you doing? Does it smell good? You think you guys smell? Dude, stop rubbing your butt on me, man. Test. Test. Okay. I always gotta make sure now. Dude, this here hurts, man. Ouch. I guarantee you nobody's gonna show up after that link. Honestly, I'm just gonna swept out London session by a ton. So yeah, we kind of swept everything already. Not sure if it's the best day to trade, but it does look like we keep just going lower. But we swept all this. So everything is bearish though. Okay, I'm gonna try. Yeah, okay. So it looks like this is the only one that works. Okay. So everything is bearish for right now, it looks like. Just absolutely dropping. So I think for New York AM, it's usually okay, 0.4%. This is New York AM, so about 0.4% is how much it usually moves. And if I want to look to the upside, okay. Yeah, I don't know, man. This is just not a good day. What I could be looking for, I could look for sells. Yeah, I don't know. It looks like this, we have this fair value gap right here, this daily actually. Daily fair value gap. Tap back into it. That's off a break of structure. Yeah, looks like it's about it. 4 hour, didn't really sweep anything on 4 hour. But yeah, I don't know. It looks like it could have a retracement, but in case it doesn't show me that, I just don't want to enter. But everything does look kind of choppy here, so it could want to go back up. It could not. Market's open, but we'll just see what it does. High possibility of me just not trading today. Bro, that's the thing, bro. Like, I want to have like 5, 10 people who watch this, but instead I'm at one, and I don't even know if that's like my phone. It probably is, but I don't want to sit here and stream to myself. But I could look for 4 hour fair value gaps since we did have that sweep. It doesn't look like we're gonna have that though. Could have some 1 hours, 1 hour fair value gap. We got that. 30-minute fair value gap. Yeah, I'm not gonna put anything on it going back up, but this we did have this. I don't know if I want to catch any longs, but if we do, I'm gonna wait for a break of structure before. So we had this liquidity sweep, this fair value gap here. There we go, much cleaner. There you go. So we got all these confluences. 5 minute. But from what it looks like, tapping into something here and come back down. But I just need to let price play out. Pretty big upside candle. Dude, something's up on my top lip, man. Dude, why does like nobody pay attention to like what I have to say or post? Like I posted the link to my story. Everybody wanted me to start streaming. But now that I'm actually streaming, nobody's watching it. One person's watching it. And it makes no sense to me. If you wanted me to start streaming, why don't you watch my live streams? What I could do actually, I could short after one of these. I might leave these confluences up. But we had that sweep. It's within equilibrium. I'm gonna see what price does. It's also a 30-minute fair value gap, so it's got some power to it. Yeah, well, we'll see. In case it keeps going up, there's also more confluences that I have.
Detail is McLaren P1 HGK with me.
Huh? You being a bad dog? No. Ooh, I'm tired again.
Sought after Porsches ever made, and here are 5 things you didn't know about. Only 1,948 Porsche Speedsters were made for the entire world, and I have to imagine this is one of the only ones in PPS Mexico blue, and this might be Porsche's best color. Number 2, this car is more or less the convertible version of the GT3, so it uses the same 4-liter naturally aspirated flat 6, but the Speedster makes an extra 2 horsepower, and that's a pretty big deal. Number 3, this car weighs only 200 pounds more than the coupe, thanks to a carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber front fenders, and a carbon fiber rear deck. Number 4, around that you have what's called a double bubble tonneau cover, which is not only fun to say, but has also been an iconic design element for the Porsche Speedster since the 1950s. Try saying double bubble tonneau cover 5 times really fast. Impossible. It's also very heavy. All this money for a Porsche, and the top's not automatic, but I guess that means it weighs less. Number 5, well, the GT3 was offered with a PDK or manual transmission. All 1,948 of the Porsche Speedsters were only offered with a 6-speed, and that will also certainly help the resale value of these cars. I think anything from Porsche that's limited production, naturally aspirated. I said I can't. But that's teeth.
Yeah, it looks like it's just going to continue going up. At least that's what it looks like. Let's look at the 12-month period so I can get a really good glimpse at this. Yep, I think it's gonna buy. There we go, 6 months. Kind of looks the same. We'll look at 7 months. Ah. So it's tapping back in. I might want to just short like right here. See, I don't know where to put my take profit at. I'm gonna have it continuing to go down. So I think it's gonna inverse all these. It does look like it wants to keep going up though. Guys, again, this is not one of the most entertaining streams. I know I'm certainly not helping because I'm pretty tired, but I want to sit here and give excuses. But it does look like it wants to go back down. So it's within equilibrium. Well, we'll see. Yeah, it really is fighting. I think this one's gonna close with some wicks. This 1 minute candle. Dude, I was right. Look at that. I said that the 1 minute candle was gonna close with some wicks, and look at it. Do I genuinely just predict the market? Is that me? You're laying on the bed of a market mover, not mover. Shut up. You talk too much. So if it breaks, I want to wait for it to have like a retracement back up. I'm still waiting on it to close. Okay, so if it closes below this, that's a break of structure. Then I'm gonna place a market order right here. That's only if it closes below. It needs to close below. That's the one requirement. If it closes below, I'm gonna place a market order right here. Honestly, what I could do, 1 to 2.5, right there, yep. So it does look like I have that break of structure. I get 5, just king 300. So yeah, take profit is where? Yep. Damn it. Oh my gosh. I thought I placed a limit, so it entered me in right here. So, just waiting. Honestly, it doesn't look like price is going to come back to where I want it to. What? Doug, what are you doing, man? What? What? You want attention? Is that what you want? You want attention? You want attention? We want attention. Oh. What? What is it? What? There was one time actually, I let my dog like move his head up and down, yes and no. He actually caught a 1 to 3 on Bitcoin. He was crazy. Zero drawdown too. You're getting hair all over my black jacket. You're getting hair all over it. Yeah, it looks like price is not going to return back to where I want it to. We might. Break of structure. Isn't it gonna return back to where I want it to though? Because it needs to sweep all the way up here. Honestly, what I might could do, I'll have it start on this inverse here. That's probably what I'll do. Whatever. Stop loss. 4, 5, 8. Selling. There we go. Take profit is 408.5. 408. Okay. Dude, are you serious? No, no, no. I'm taking this out. I'm taking this out. No. What was that? I wanted a limit. Okay, that's what I want. I want a limit. Right there. Right here. Okay, take profit is right there. Well, I made like 20 bucks. Yeah, that's actually funny. That put me back up to 9 grand. Okay, so the limit is the one that I want to use. Dude, if I'm being real, it doesn't look like price is going to come back to where I want it to. But patience is key, I guess. So I need to stay patient. Yeah, it does not look like that. Price is going to return. Actually, it could be trying to. Because I remember I had marked this out. So it does look like price would want to come back. But we will definitely see. It's perfect. Test. Okay. 2 viewers. Wow. Okay. So I'm waiting. I'm waiting to trade. This was accidental. I would have made a little bit. Yeah, I mean, 35. 35. Gosh, what am I doing? This is genuinely what I want to do with myself. And I'm sitting here being on my phone. It's going to retrace. It's going to come back up. How far? I don't know. I hope it's my entry. It does look like that. It does look like it's going to retrace back to my entry. It's gonna retrace, I'm telling you. It wants to retrace. It looks like it just wants to. Break structure go up. Dude, I'm so hungry, man. Break structure. Break structure. Douglas, help the break structure. Okay, break structure. I'm waiting for it to go back up. Dude, I'm just sitting here playing my game, just waiting. And I'm sorry, but I just can't talk today for very long. I'm so tired. He wants to go back up. No, it doesn't. It doesn't look like it at all. Or we're just creating some pretty big wicks. Doesn't look like price is gonna come back up. Yeah, if price doesn't want to look like it returns back in 10 minutes, probably just gonna get off. Because I guess that could have been my entry right there on the breakup structure that I marked, but is that a breakup structure? As of here, yeah, it is, but yeah, I don't know. You're occupied right now, Doug. Can't let you out right now. Hmm. So it's either I trade this or I don't trade at all today. And it's starting to look like a no trade day. Still two people watching. That's actually crazy. I haven't talked in like 5 minutes. Doesn't look like it's gonna have that retracement, but if it does, I'm still waiting. I might just be out of a trade today, which is never an issue. I am hungry though. Dude, honestly, your price is just gonna keep being this choppy. I'm just gonna not trade this. Yeah, it looks like it wants to do a retracement, so I'm just gonna closing this, getting off. I'm settling for my 35 bucks. Okay. Well, we'll see what it does. Yeah. Let's see, what was my record? I want to see my record viewers. What was my record? 2 people watching. What was my incredible? That actually is 2 people is a lot more than I thought I would be right now. That actually is 2 people is a lot more than I thought I would be right now. That actually is. No, I want to go here. 2 people. All right. Well, have a good rest of your day. I'm gonna put out a few videos. I might go back to sleep. I don't know. I'm really tired, but I'll be back for tomorrow at the same time, right at about 9, between 9 and 9:30, probably around 9:15. But I'll be back later.